Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1973 Mgb Roadster. It's finished in blaze orange, black interior, black top, 4-speed, ROSTYLE wheels. We purchased this car recently from Kentucky, I believe. It came from a lady. Really nice restored car. However, she put it in storage and it developed a couple paint issues, like a little bit of lifting here, a little bit here, couple little spots of just kind of lifting. But you know, we've discounted it, and another little spot here you can see, just kind of a little bit of bubbling, about 3 or 4 spots. You know, you could probably take it to your painter and do some paint correction. But you know, really nice full restoration on a 97,000 mile car. I just took it for a drive. You can see me driving it in the video, and you know, pretty decent driving car. We checked the electricals, and it needs a little bit of electrical work. I think the headlights and the wipers. But you know, real attractive, real pretty chrome bumpered Roadster. Beautiful wheel and tire set. Then you walk around, little tiny bit of bubbling there you can see down low, but you know, largely a very attractive, nice car. Do a final walk around on the body here. Yeah, just a couple little blems here and there on a largely beautifully restored car. So all new interior, really nice dashboard, nice seats. You can see the driver's bottom here has collapsed a little bit. This needs, you know, that needs a little bit of padding upward, but you know, lovely seats all the way around. New top boot, chrome works excellent. Let's pop the hood and have a look under the engine compartment. So as you can see here, nice body color engine bay. Carbs have been completely gone through recently. You know, pretty decently clean, attractive engine compartment. Car runs mechanically, it runs pretty nicely. I think there's a slight weakness when downshifting into third, but you know, besides that, mechanically pretty good. But like I said, needs a few knickknacks, electrical, I think headlights and wipers and horn. 3 little things that need looking at. But let's take a look in the car's trunk. So in the trunk, there's a really thick file here of all the receipts. There's the owner's manual, there's books, there's part of an exhaust system, there's a box of all new trinkets here that go with the car. The spare needs a tire fitted. But you know, if you're in the market for a restored Mgb Roadster that needs a few little fixes, this is a fantastic candidate, where all the money's been professionally spent on it. Pretty good running, driving car. But like I said, just needs a couple knickknacks. And there it is, 1973 Mgb Roadster.